Hey guys, welcome back to another video of mine. You know it's your girl Sade, and from the title down below you can tell what type of video this is going to be. So guys, without any further ado, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Comment below. Alright guys, stay tuned to the remainder of the vlog. Alright? Check the security footage. Guess what? It's your lucky night because I'm taking you to work with me. Alright? So I'm currently still in the process of getting ready. So we don't know when people get ready, we get ready. Like figure out it's not really a big deal, but alright? So let's go. Alright guys, so stay tuned to the remainder of the vlog. Alright guys, made I run late, so I couldn't make a city process, but we're on the way to the bus stop right now. Tonight not really cold, this morning never really cold, so I want to go to the bus stop. Here we are bus foot people. We're hopefully by this, you know, the end of the year we'll change that, manifesting and all of them things there. So right now we're waiting on the bus. We'll check the bus schedule and we have what, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. I'll see it when I come. I can't see it. So yeah guys, I'm showing you my inner this, my Tom and my Puma, my sweatpants here and everything. Yeah, I should have done an outfit of the day, but yeah, we're running late. Alright guys, soon check back with you know. I'm gonna see where I go on. Yeah. I'm good to sit in the cold, I can hold my phone in my hand. For goodness in the cold guys. Alright, so come back. Alright guys, hopefully not hear me, not the noise. We'll come out for one location, bus stop, and we're waiting for another one, and then yeah, we're on the train, and then we'll reach the destination. Alright guys, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, remember to like, share, and subscribe guys. This was just a spur of the moment. It was nothing planned, and I said I wonder if I want to see it like a night. It's not a day in my life, in my day at work, a night at work, a night in my life, my nightlife, a mini peek in my nightlife. So yeah, I'm bringing you along with me. Okay guys, so I'm gonna rub on something makeup on my face. Look at just like a brush on my face. I think that's top wipe off for me. For my jacket. Normally I'm a black jacket more wear, but like I said, it's so cold for me. I heavy down myself with a big jacket. So I'm just put on the one here. This still keep me warm and everything. I still have my mitten, my gloves, whatever I call them, mitten gloves. I put on my hat and I have my scarf in my bag in case of me feel really cold. So yeah, so go and stay tuned for that. Alright guys. Go and stay tuned. I want to drop this, but I'm going to rub on something on my face and try and make content on the browser. I saw when I saw something just already come up, so nobody watch me, my cousin browse or whatever browse. Okay? Okay? Inside the train guys, so some train aboard, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe guys. Alright, we're doing this for the vlog, we're doing this for you guys. Alright, I'm kind of fast man of these days. It's alright. Fun life no perfect, more perfect than mine, so I struggle like some people, and my life no worse off than some people, so all praises to God. So I can't give a look a snipset. Giving a look a snipset. Money me I gonna make, and a jerk chicken. Money we I make. Good too. Alright guys, so reach her right now. Reach safe and everything. I'm actually in the kitchen. Let's say you see me talking. I did my rounds and everything already, so everybody's asleep by this because you know it's night work. So I'm not gonna really show no. I'm not gonna show no the ins and outs. Maybe by in the morning when I do like the rounds and so on forth, I will show you guys. But for right now, everybody in. I am safe here. There's pretty much not much to do. That makes sense. There's not much to do now because you know the elderly and in bedtime, you know, them can't really stay up past 10 mostly. And yeah, so right now I'm just go write up my book. Probably go on my phone and so on forth. I don't know what else for sure no, because I didn't really put the people in pan my thing. I was just showing you my journey here, and I make it safely here, and then now you know do what I had to do. I could really carry the phone, so it never really makes sense. I have the phone, I point on the people in face, you know, it's my job. I have the phone on the people in face, so hopefully you understand that. But you know, it was kind of like journey with me to work or come with me to work, but it's not my life at work and my day in my work. You get what I'm saying? It's not really that type of blog. But nevertheless, if anything else pop up, you will see that. But for right now, I think I eat this here, so I just make you know so I reach, check in and everything, and me soon at the next part of the vlog. Alright guys, doo-doo. So guys, it's hours. Yeah, I mean, I really have not much to do. You know, like I say, it's not pretty. It's not that hard. It's just that it's overnight, and you know, once it's overnight, and I really get no sleep, and so on forth. I have a little pros and cons, but all in all, we're still, you know, we'll make it work. We'll find ways to make it work for us. Okay, guys? Anyways, so me will talk to you later. Good morning, fams. Good morning. So I don't know if it's at all, but I'm about to leave. I'm there wait on the girl for relieve me. I'm done do everything already, and I completely 100% forget, you know, and for sure, you know, what me do this morning when I make breakfast, do my rounds, and writing on my book log. But guys, good morning first of all. I'm gonna do this again another day, so yeah, we're going home now. It's like 8:30 now. Let me see. Yeah, 8:31 to be exact. So I'm waiting on the girl to come relieve me. I get relieved by 9. So yeah, I'm there about. So check back in. I see you tonight, okay? Alright, have a good day. What time is it? So it's currently 8:45. Walking out, heading out. We are heading in. Go back to catch my train, catch my bus, and then we reach Yeah. So see you when we reach. Alright, guys. Bye. Night 2. People. It is snowing out. Yeah. And things the people I'm come over here come do. I never sign up for this, people. I never sign up for this, man. I lie. I take me look at time I walk down the bus stop. As we can't afford to drop. And then say must do the penguin walk. The penguin walk. The penguin walk. Okay, thick. You know how much inches of snow them here is? A grass this one. What they first still around? Oh gee. Am I gonna catch my train? People, I'm slow they are blowing at me here. Me never sign up for this, you know? Me never sign up for this. Anyways, so check back here to know who car. Alright, I think that may I take. No, I'm bus. Don't like the bus stop. Anyway, so check back in. Look outside, guys. The most of things I drop me, I make. Look at my shoes. Flooded. Anyways, I reach from here, I go. Buy the Uber. So the Uber there. Uber driver. The bus them they come none at all. None at all. None at all. I'll take my time. Watch my shoes. My run there clean off him vehicle. Everyone see him. See him. A snowstorm last night, and guess who had work? It's at least 3 inches of snow or 4 inches last night. Will you never tell me about a party? Will you never tell me about a party when you're not sure? I'm not sure foreign. Will you never tell me about this part? Protect themselves to do the penguin walk. So I have to take my time and walk. So that's what I'm doing now. Morning time, I get off of work, you know. And I take my time, I go in. Listen. I be a slide, me a slide, I talk to me, you hear me? When you ever slide, you have to do the penguin walk, the penguin walk. They slip you out here, man. Last night when I come, and I'm an Uber because I took an Uber. Went outside, as you saw in the post, the video. No bus never come. One of them end up slide. I meet no accident, not accident, like look out one fence and then block off the road. So me ready for that work now. Guess what happened? Them detour and I didn't know where they detour. So me start out there, wait, no bus, all the bus them pass everything. I had to end up calling Uber. And the Uber man I can tell me, say listen. Lift actually. And him gonna tell me, say listen, him you know if him can carry me same way go with me go after him done take up the job. It was a wait and save job. Wait and save because I never in a hurry because I try but they ready early for leave out, early for meet. You know, they whatever might happen, which is a good thing I did. I never dilly-dally as I'm usually dilly-dally till the last minute. Because the train I normally take, right? The train I have traffic and slippery road. So that's what I'm going for. Watch that. That's them something here, me have to walk, you know. Them something here, and them here. Me attack. So you see the ice? I have to take time and walk and talk with it. Oh. Come up that one. Say the lift driver say in car, you don't know if I'm gonna make it because I'm not stop skid. He may stop slide on the road. He don't know if I'm going to make it to spar me or go because he must say if it's a slide, yes, so it's spar we live. Imagine it's spar me have to go. It's spar the trip. I'm like, why you took up the trip? Nobody told you to take the trip because it was a wait and save. And I'm saying at least 25 minutes wait. Which me already know. That's why I'm saying I'm ready early for anything will happen. You know? So, and wait and save was the cheapest one. Because when I went on Uber prices was at least $90 or $100. Take my time. Party not so bad, you know. All I have some mud. Anyways. Him man upon. I want to look faster now. Him man upon him don't know if my girl can carry me. And him take up the work. So I'm like, what this man I gonna do? Left me a roadside? Like you take up the work and then I come tell me saying, you know, if you can't carry me with me I go. Leave me in a roadside. Mr. Sade, take your time and drive. Come then in a hurry. I'm just up skid for through because the road was icy. The road was icy. It was like a snowstorm. Anyways, me I walk to the train station, you know, yeah, people. And them cold. I have my gloves. Then they sitting there to help. He came here to get ready with me. Them they're sitting there to help. Alright? So, my hand them freeze off now, so we'll talk to them later. Alright, what's some salt the road? None of them don't put, all know they don't put no salt on the road. You see them on the side. Them something where people drop, you know. So I have to tell me time I walk. That's all them, you see them? I see them here where you slide and skip on. If I walk up, it's alright, but them here, you slide. Guys, I'm gonna take my time and walk and focus, yeah? So come back.